Hello everyone. Once again, welcome back to How to Hack. Today we are continuing with our Portswigger Lab in API testing. Today's lab is about finding and exploiting an unused API endpoint. To solve this lab, we have to find an hidden API endpoint. That's by buying a lightweight leather jacket. Like in the previous lab, we have a username and password, that is Viner and Peter. Let's start our session. So this is the lab. Here we can see the leather jacket. Before we buy any of the product, we have to just log in. Like I told you, we are going to use the username Viner and the password Peter. Okay, let's visit the store. And make sure we are using the websuite proxy and all the communication has been captured by the websuite. Like in the question, we can see here, lightweight leather jacket. So this is the endpoint where we can find the hidden API. So let's see the details. So to solve this lab, we have to purchase this leather jacket. And you can see here, we have $0 in our account. So I'm sure this lab will be very interesting. Let's try to add this product into our cart. Let's see our cart. You can see here there are two products added into our cart and I am removing one of these. Let's see our HTTP history. You can see all the communication has been captured by the websuite. You can see here the ID of the product is 1. So we have to just keep a record of this sort of information we found. We have to carefully analyze each of the endpoint. We can see here a get method with the API product and the product ID as 1. So we can see here with the price of 1337. Let's send to the repeater. We can see here we are currently using a get method. I am going to modify this with patch. I am going to modify it with the patch request. Patch is a method for partially modifying. Now I'm forwarding this one. You can see here we got an error response. Only application JSON content type is supported. The previous method was a get method, which doesn't need any parameters. But here we are using patch method. Now it contains a parameter there. And one of the headings should be content type. Like it is displayed here, we have to provide the content type as application JSON. Now resend it. And now it is showing an error code of 500. This is because still the parameter is pending. In the previous response we found an amount of $1,337. So we have to copy the price. The price tag should be there, but the amount should be different. That is $0. But still we are getting the same internal server error. We can see the response containing a dollar symbol and also with a decimal format. So I am providing it as $0 and I am forwarding it again. Still I am getting the same error. Maybe that could be of the decimal symbol. So I provide 00 again. Still I am getting the same server error. So I copy the entire response and I paste it here. And I am just modifying the figure as $0, 0.00. Now we can see we got a response. Price parameter must be valid non-negative integer. So the amount which I provide is $0.00. It is not a negative one. But I am still getting the error. So I decided to change these codes. And I am just providing a value 0 only. Now let's see what happened. Okay, you can see we are getting a 200 response. That's a success response. And you can see the price is reflected as 0 there. But the lab is not still completed. Now let's see what's the price now. You can see the page is not reflecting the new amount. Let's go for the home and try again. Okay, now you can see the amount is reflected as 0 in the leather jacket. I am removing the product from the cart and I am going to add it again. I am going to view the details and I am going to place the order in my cart. In our wallet we have $0 only, and also the product price is $0, so we can buy it for free. Now let's place the order. You can see the lab is solved. For more videos, you can subscribe my channel.